Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about community and volunteering, a topic that reflects values, social engagement, and civic responsibility, and one that generates rich, interesting conversation. Community means different things to different people. It can refer to a neighborhood, the people who live near you, a cultural or religious group, a professional community, or an online group gathered around a shared interest. Feeling connected to a community contributes enormously to well-being and a sense of purpose. Volunteering means giving your time freely, without payment, to help others or a cause you believe in. People volunteer for charities, organizations working for social good, for hospitals, schools, environmental projects, sports clubs, and countless other causes. You might say, I volunteer at the local hospice on Wednesday evenings. It's only a few hours, but it means a lot to the residents. Non-profit organizations, also called charities and or not-for-profits, use any income to fund their mission rather than distributing profits. They often rely heavily on volunteers. You might say, I work for a small nonprofit that provides free meals to homeless people. We couldn't operate without our volunteers. Grassroots initiatives start from ordinary people rather than top-down institutions. A residents' association, a community garden, a local litter-picking group. These are all grassroots. You might say, it started with just a few neighbors who were frustrated with the state of the park. Now it's a proper community project with council support. Fundraising, raising money through events, sponsorship, or online campaigns, is another common way to get involved. You might say, I'm running a 10-kilometer race for cancer research. Any sponsorship would be hugely appreciated. Today, we covered community, volunteering, nonprofits, grassroots initiatives, and fundraising. Getting involved is one of the most rewarding things you can do. See you next time.